A corporation will select two of six candidates available to work in two different positions in the tech team and three of seven candidates to work in same position in the HR team. Find the number of the ways in which the company can fill the position. So if we understand the question carefully, can we say that there are two teams, right? One is the tech team and the other is the HR team, right? In the HR team. And what is required for the tech team? There are six candidates and we require two out of them. So total number of the candidates which are there in the tech team, that is six. And how many are required from the tech team? That is two for two positions, right? For two different positions. Let's say two different positions are position one and position two. Let's take the position one as vice president and president, right? Let's take these two positions as president and vice president, right? Let's say these two positions are to be filled. To understand, can we say, let's say these two people or candidates, A president and B vice president, is it same as B being the president, A being the vice president? Same two candidates, AB, is AB same as BA? No. In the first case, A is the president, B is the vice president, whereas in the second case, B is the president, A is the vice president. Same two candidates, AB is not same as BA. That means this case order matters, right? Order matters. And if you know that order matters, if order matters, it's a question on permutation, right? That's a fundamental for permutation. If order matters, it's a question on permutation. How many candidates are there? Total six. You require two. In how many ways? It's a question on permutation. In how many ways you can pick two candidates out of six? That is 6p2. And what do you require? And you require in the HR team. In the HR team, how many candidates? There are seven candidates and you require three out of them. You require three. Now, does order matter? It says in the same position. Now, if you take three candidates, let's say C person, D person, E person, right? These three, if you select C first, D second, E third, is same as selecting D first, C second, and E third, right? It's the same position. The order does not matter. If order does not matter here, when order does not matter, does not matter, it's a question on combination. How many are required? You require three out of seven. In how many ways you can pick three out of seven when order does not matter? That is 7C3. So that's the calculation which we now need to just do. Let's figure out or calculate what is 6p2. 6p2, apply the formula, that is n factorial, which is 6 factorial, divided by n minus r, that is 4 factorial. 6 factorial, that is 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, can be written like this, divided by 4 factorial. 4 factorial gets cancelled out. What is remaining is 6 times 5, that is 30. We have just used the simple formula for permutation. What about second one? 7C3. Let's calculate 7C3 now. What is the formula? That is NCR, which is n factorial over r factorial, that is 3 factorial, times n minus r, that is 7 minus 3, which is 4 factorial. Let's calculate this. 7 factorial can be written as 7 into 6 into 5 times 4 factorial like this, divided by 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2, 4 factorial as it is. 4 factorial gets cancelled out. 3 2s are 6. That means 7 into 5, that is 35. So we got the answers to these calculations. That is 6p2, that is 30, and 7c3, that is 35. So in how many ways tech team can be built? From 6 candidates, you require 2. That means there are 30 ways. So 6p2, that is 30, and means to multiply. 7c3, that is 35. That is 35. 30 times 35, that is the answer in in these number of ways the positions can be filled, which is 1050, option E being the correct here.